What is up, guys, and welcome. Hi, guys, and welcome. Hi, guys, welcome back. Well, hello there, guys, and welcome. Hello again, you guys, and welcome. Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Lunchtime Reviews. Today we are here, and it is a Monday. And whichever day you're watching this, whether it's on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whether that's day or night, I wish you all the best. I am currently in the store right now, awaiting my lunchtime. It is 13 minutes after 2. We're going out on lunch 2:30, and today I'm planning to have lunch at somewhere that's a bit fancy, but we're on a budget, so we're definitely going to be ordering the budget meals, whatever that may be. More than likely it's some kind of fried chicken or curry chicken with rice and peas or something. That 1,500 to 2,000 food. I think that's not really affordable, and when you're working a minimum wage job and just wanting something to have for lunch. So I will see you guys soon.
Yeah, man, want to for me. For me now go ahead. I not drop.
Alright, so going up. And music is playing as usual, so you know how it goes. Give me fried chicken. Breast? The pork gravy. Eat what you love, drink what you want. I like that slogan. This is the menu. You can pause the video. This is just a simple walkthrough of this beautiful restaurant, but since I already cut out the music and you gotta listen to my voice, let's talk about a little story about the customer service. So when I came here today, I saw two dudes, they had a lot of cash on the counter using their iPhones as paperweights, making weed, well, cutting up weed actually. And I waited on them to make their order, then I made mine, and both orders practically came out at the same time. And The cashier or the waitress, they're basically the same person. She came with the guy's food first, which is right. You know, they ordered first. They were before me, and she presented the food all professionally. You know, opened the food, presented it to them, showed them what was inside, you know, waiting for their approval or satisfaction to see if they're satisfied with, you know, what they were given. And yeah, she bagged it up and they went straight across to the other side of the room and, you know, ate. When she gave me my food now, she just slid it across the counter with the bag underneath it and be asking me if I want to eat, like if I'm having it here. Like, what the fuck? This is fucking bitch. Like, regardless of what money I'm spending or what I'm ordering, you know, like I don't think you as an employee or as a waitress or even as a cashier, they're the two guys also. They're right there. But like that was extremely shitty and disrespectful, you know. But then again, I can't exactly blame her because what was inside the food, I would have not opened it either. Spoiler. So we just got our food, you know. I would assume that's about 10 to 15 minutes time after I ordered it, I received the food. I haven't opened up the boxes yet. I think they do like this really fancy thing with their, I wouldn't call it fancy, it's more like strange, you know. Extra pieces of napkin. Makes me think that there's a really long fork in here, but you know, it is what it is. So we're about to take a look inside of the food now. And it's okay. It's okay. It's a bit underwhelming. I was not, let's just say I was expecting more from this place, you know. For $900 for you know, chicken food basically. Let's say the presentation, oh my god, the presentation could have been done a bit more, even though, you know, it's a box food, there's not much you could present, you know. But at the same time, like, yeah, this could use a bit more work. I am currently looking at the chicken right now, and some of it looks to be a bit more crispier than others are, you know, not coated with the flour properly, you know, like exposed breast being fried. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you see what's going on in the food right now. Just allow me to unwrap my fork. 1 second there. Alright, so I made a mistake. I did not requested any I did not tell them not to put any pasta or, you know, raw veg in my food, so that's basically my bad, you know. But yeah, that's there. I guess they use elbows to make their pasta. I'm gonna throw that away anyway. So elbows, mayonnaise, maybe some ketchup or something like that. Yeah. But yeah, like this is the presentation, I should say, you know. Chicken, I normally order breast. I'm a breast guy, you know. Pork gravy, rice. This is not basmati rice. This is just the regular, like probably this is parboiled rice maybe, but I don't think it's parboiled rice. The pork gravy, I can see bits and pieces of pork in there, so that's a good thing. I can see peas in the rice. They look, you know, nice, whole up, not blended or shredded and then cooked in rice and peas, so that is a good thing. Yeah, and moving on to the chicken, like this isn't your typical fried, like, you know, pan fried chicken or deep fried pan chicken. Like, I would say like this is more of a pressure fryer, you know. Yeah, like the pressure fryer, like that they use in KFC's big industrial kitchens, you know, like those kind of fryers where they use pressure to fry the chicken rather than, you know, just raw hot oil and an open pan, you know. So if you're a lover of KFC fried chicken and, you know, this type of chicken when they're, you know, pressure fried, like this would be perfect for you. And as you can see, it's nice and thin, and I bet it has a really amazing crunch as well. just as I suspected, you know. Definitely pressure fried chicken. So I could probably justify, the cost of a fried chicken lunch for $900 if they've pressure fried the chicken, and plus the environment, the restaurant itself. I'm literally outside that. In there is the main building, where all the chairs and all of the stuff is. And I would say, yeah, it's a nice place. And I would give the presentation of the food, like, I don't know, like this, like, what the fuck is this? This is like skin, like a whole lump of fucking skin. Who the fuck eat skin, man? This is disgusting. I hate these kind of things, So, like, just for this and this, like, if you're willing to do it to me and I'm just a fucking stranger coming in the place, who knows who you're willing to do it to else, So, the presentation, it's a lot of food, as you can see, but I would definitely give the presentation a 6 out of 10. Like, there is a whole lot more work that could be done, so 6 out of 10. Because as you can see, the flour, whatever the mixture of flour or paste or whatever they use to coat the chicken, like, most of it is gone, and this is the chicken, like, fried, like, lifts off, So, yeah, this is going to be a no-no for me, because this is not going to be tasting. Right here, focus, right here, where you see the exposed breast of the chicken and not the flour coating. That is going to be a problem. So, yeah, but without further ado, I am hungry, so let's just dig in. Starting off with the rice first. Wow. This is actually very shelly. And I can taste the coconut juice in there also, Alright. This is not parboiled rice, by the way. This is just your typical over-the-counter rice, pound rice, as we Jamaicans call it. That plastic rice. But just the fact that they hold on. We have a problem. I was just about to praise them for their rice, but then we found a problem. I already swallowed it, but there are even more here, some uncooked grains of rice, or grains of rice that hasn't been cooked properly as to how the rest of the food is being cooked, So there is a huge fucking problem right there. If the rice is half done or some grains are not cooked, then the rice fails, no matter how much peas or how much coconut you want to put in there. And the gravy tastes so fucking good, man. Yeah, I put pork gravy on it and it tastes so fucking good, but what really turning me off right now about this food is that some of the rice grains aren't cooked. I am literally hearing crunches in my mouth right now chewing this rice. Yeah, this is not good, babe. This is not good. Yep. Definitely have a few uncooked stray rice grains in here. Yeah, I would say apart from the stray rice grains, I am seeing peas. Maybe not as much as I want to see, but peas is there. Yeah, like, look at this. Yeah, I don't like to see that in rice and peas. Yeah, that kind of sucks. The peas is cooked. I do find, you know, full, like, intact peas, not shredded or boiled out or whatever. Like, peas that look like this, you know. Like, this is a whole grain of peas. I'm showing you right now. Yeah. Um, the rice is very disappointing. Just because, you know, there are some parts in the rice that aren't cooked properly, and I'm paying like $900 for this, and they have foods that go past $900, you know, and I'm eating over the counter pound rice, you know, that's basically cooked by everyone else in the town, you know. And I have to bring up the restaurants that do basmati rice, you know, for their customers. It's different, it's tasty. It leaves you wanting more, you know. But this kind of shit, nah, man, nah, nah. Like right now, I'm having a hard time eating this. Like maybe after lunch, I'll eat it at work. But right now, yeah, this rice sucks, man. Yeah, I'm not eating this. I'm not eating this anymore. Uh, so we're moving on to the chicken. That was extremely quick. Oh yeah, the rating for the rice before we move on. I give that a 2 out of 10. Yeah, cause fuck these people. Fucking $900 for rice where, you know, I'm still feeling the grains in my mouth, like chewing on the grains, crunching on the grains. Hell no. Yeah, so yeah, man. As I said, we're on to the chicken. This is like a clump of skin mainly, you know. Yeah, dude, damn. Oh, we got a little bit of flesh in there. Got a little bit of flesh in there. As you can see. No, brother. Like right now, the only reason I'm not spitting this out, you know, is because I pay my money for it. But like, I can taste the seasoning and the flour coating and a bit of the seasoning in the meat as well. But it's fucking shit cold and dry, brother. Fucking chicken cold and it dry, you know? It's fucking dry. And for this amount of money I pay for it, it's shit, man. I can't even use the fork to like break the skin of it. Look at that. It's fucking shit tough and dry out, man. Nah, no. Watch out, what is? Good day. This is what I paid. This is what I got for my $900 chicken breast. Fuck is this, bro? Wow. 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 I'm just gonna have to bring the camera closer so you can see what's going on. As this food is trash. Fucking garbage. Wasted my money. So get you in full detail, you know. First and foremost, look at this. This fucking thing is dried, man. And I ordered like chicken breasts, you know. Fuck this. Look at this. This is just like bone and fat and flour coating all over. I don't even know what kind of piece of the chicken this is either. This is definitely not chicken breast. And yeah, this is a piece of rib, but that's yeah, that was horrible. That was, yeah, it's fucking disgusting. I don't recommend this place, you know. Yeah, fuck this place, man. Wasted my $900 getting fucking trash ass chicken, dry as fuck, and I did not buy any juice to wash that down, so I'm not going to be eating this right now. Yeah, like the chicken gets a 2 out of 10, you know, and the only reason why it got a 2 is because let's say that I could taste the seasoning. I could taste the seasoning in the chicken, and it tastes alright. But this fucking shit too dry, and on top of that is like I feel deceived, you know, because look at this, is like they just went into whatever they store their chicken after they fry them, and just took out the scraps and just, you know, throw it in my plate. And look at this shit, man. Good day. It's fucking dry, man. Can't eat that. Yeah, like for $900, yo. Yes, people. So that is the review of this fucking garbage food, you know. I don't know how people buy from them fancy ass places, spend thousands of dollars. I eat shit, you know. This is rubbish. It's rubbish, bro. Or maybe it's just that the fact that I came in and ordered the cheapest food that they had on the menu. You know, they felt like serving me shit, but it is what it is, you know. That's why when you go to any kind of restaurants, you know, and you order the cheapest thing on the menu, if it's done well, served properly, and tastes excellent, then you can use that as a benchmark for everything else that's on the menu, you know. So I'm basically using this fucking fried chicken $900 food as a benchmark for everything else. I will not be coming back here to spend my money. Fuck these people. Fucking ass. Fucking assholes, man. Yeah, so maybe I'll finish up eating at work when I get a bit more hungry later in the day. But for now, yeah, I am just honestly just upset and disappointed in this meal right here, you know. So yeah. So just to conclude, this place is just neat and looks good and all of that, but if you come here to buy fried chicken, chances are you will get uncooked rice, you know, maybe a little less rice or peas, maybe a little less peas. Chicken are gonna dry out, if not burnt, you know, but at least they season it well and use a pressure fryer, so it's going to be a bit different or closer to KFC tasting chicken, you know. But yeah, that's all the good things I got to say about this, you know. For $900, I feel like I have been scammed, you know, wasting my fucking money. But it is what it is, and I thank you guys for tuning in again for another episode of the Lunchtime Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe. Yep. There you have it, man. Burnt fucking chicken. Look at this shit. Burn the fuck up, you know, for $900. This is what you get. Burned fucking chicken. Sad.
You see her?
No,
But you're not going to see her. Jesus Christ. What?
What you showing sex to my father? You not showing sex, only my father alone you showing sex. You know, but you can't say my father is
Maybe your father did jump now.
jump.
Your father did jump. She want a suitcase, but she don't want no big. Isn't it? You say, alright.
This morning?
This morning. That's all. So, I say to Boom say, like we have some small suitcase and just pick your preference and whatever. So she has said the people them must say, yo, you don't have to bring nothing big and whatever. So me I say, is a trip you go on? So she has said, say no. She asked to say, yo, you never hear about the people them where you know I bring people from Mexico across the border.
Oh, well, they rock of it.
I say,
But judge your fault because if you don't get through, if you go over this appreciable.
hold on, man.
I look careful.
So, moms are showing me say, yo, a 4,000 US them charge. You do it.
Yeah, what kind of job she are going to if they go to know?
I mean, you're not getting a job, you just get for going in a country, everything else you depend on your own afford. Yes, brother.
Not Mexico.
That makes it alright.
But
Evil.
if America, we see how that got there's more opportunity for some there. We're in Mexico.
You say to moms, so one at a time, you're going in a whole different country, isn't it?
Different
language,
culture, different
everything, isn't it?
everything.
And you don't know nothing at all, and you're there in a place illegally. You have to go live at some place and you have to do some things to get by, isn't it?
I must jump
Yes,
in
brother.
push.
So it's like when time she tell me, say, yo, you know somebody I help her out and whatever. So me ask her, she know the person. You know, I'm a friend of a friend of a friend.
Hey!
So the blood
Not
clot.
if nobody go there.
Hold on, no.
Nobody go there.
So me say, miss, you know about human trafficking, right? You ever hear about them something there? She a say she know a little bit about it. Me I say,
If you know enough.
me I say I saw them people they catch you know.
Yes,
You see me?
exactly.
You can imagine somebody a put up 4,000 US
For
for you.
you.
Where you might get out time?
Nothing.
Man can't take you away and go sell you, brother.
So I say,
You see me?
man, you know, they consider this, they want to do this, and that's enough for the elephant no return. They oversee you, man, which fucking see that elephant on the street, a film, not everywhere panic.
Coke out, brother.
Yeah, use this?
Many never hear about them people we are sitting there.
Of course.
We
Human trafficking.
bring people across border Mexico.
Yeah, and you can get no Jamaica, no dead in here.
Human trafficking, that is
Enough of them
so
must-
frequent
and
now.
enough of them must get sell unite too.
Human trafficking is so
Because
frequent
they
now.
want to go in the
Because
US,
they
so
work
they
for
might
young
go
girl,
They
them
take
too.
Mexico inside, so
Worse if a young girl to them take them care of them.
Somebody I tell me say, yo, you know, you might go sort out, like you get a link and a 4,000 US to sort it out, isn't it?
you go through go Mexico to go across US.
But the person I say, yo, you know, is a link where she get from a friend of a friend of a friend. So fuck like that.
All is a friend
And
of
the
a friend of a
person,
friend.
hold on, the person where I go give her the link or sort out that 4,000 US for her so she can come across, you see me? And I say to her, I say, yo, you don't know this person from nowhere. You see me? You can sell it, you can take it away and sell it just like that.
So she left from Jamaica go, or she left America come
No,
out?
Jamaica.
No, Jamaica today, this one you see, he come in here with suitcases, man.
I want me think I do you come here and if you go if you read up on Facebook you know and TikTok and ball and for George. And I said George gone to Mexico.
I'm
Yeah.
a fool, but I'm not so fool, brother.
Me, that's the right sense.
I friend me want go so. She not see one woman. The last time I saw one woman pan. I think a TikTok she dey pan. I say she realized her son dead because he left from Jamaica by Mexico to go back to US. You understand? And she understand saying that she just ask him body. Me say in get it.
I get what that's in the barrier.
That's right.
Animal name.
Yeah.
Nobody now go this go busy with them. Nobody now go this go care about the come away.
But how should I talk about it, brother? That was incredibly stupid. And me I try to talk a little sense in him. I try to talk a little sense in him and show him like, you know. Yes, brother. Me not say you can't go through, but if you go through, you have to live in a world. Yes, brother.
That's illegal, so you come like a fugitive there. So Mexico no place where you go and come fugitive.
My brother, Mexico even worse than us, so to blood clot in the slums.
Me I tell you, the things of Mexico now.
Cokehead up on the streets like.
Country place.
If you can't find a way, brother, pay me money. then a man a call me say, yo, you know, say, I can't start this one.
You can't start that out for
Man
you.
a recruit your brother for good.
You go go
Pimp yard.
You see me? Have to walk on street side to right because there is no way out. You don't have money to pay the parents. They don't watch your 24/7 44 kids. Have yourself drugs, have yourself front.
Hold on. What them do, you know, them drugs them up, you see me? I would have them in a
Send them
house.
for road.
No, they don't have to send them for road. They have them in a house. So man just come and buy and just fuck them up and left. You see me? And I go so the night go.
And then for the little bit where them are getting not even going to do nothing to them.
Sorry for
What
you
them are
because
getting.
we kind of saying fool, you know? That's why I try to talk a little sense in him, but...
Seriously, do I don't like say one family member or nothing.
You see what I say?
Friend and no friend, not friend. No
One, a show alone, you hear them
I
something
say,
there.
then you're rubbish. One heap of rubbish go this and that, you know that. Jackass. And that's why people still fool. So the way they must have some go on in this world. Right now, John, human trafficking is so privileged now. That's me. And if me can't figure Facebook, go find somebody on Facebook, say me a friend. Even if my friend me a laugh for you. My friend they take me to the phone. You think I show?
Alright, brother. I know
man.
what I say, but I try to have some sense in my moves. I open think about him decision, you know? Because fear thing is, you know, she be out there, she a try this and she a try that and then not work.
I go him kill yourself.
So me I say, brother, like, if you there so as a legal person who know the ins and outs of the country, you see me? You know how to talk like all of that, you see me? You think you are going to Mexico go survive? No, brother.